Buck's fiberglass rope construction creates twice the strength of a traditional wakeboard layup, allowing this series to be thinner, delivering the explosive pop that Byerly riders have come to love off the wake. This board features a BioLite 3-core, continuous rocker, layered biaxial glass, and double lap construction. The strategic flex patterns and subtle center landing feature keeps this board riding smooth while landing soft. The Byerly team found that the Buck had more to offer than just boosting off wakes. Lay it up with some flex and incorporate our Perimeter CoEx Sidewall, and you will have a durable shred stick for the cable. Introducing the all-new Buck Flex.